But let me show you one more way to use command line rendering where you can do the same process, have multiple instances of Blender. It's going to be a little less resource intensive. We're going to use that information to calculate and estimate how long our render is going to take. So first up, the way we're going to do this is I'm going to show you how to do this to work with either Cycles or Eevee. And this is going to be using Cycles without turbo tools. And then I'll show you the little bit of tweak we have to do to get the command line rendering to work if you are using turbo tools. So you can see I have some prompts already saved here. And I just have these set up so I don't forget what they are, and we can set up the command line rendering really quickly. I'll leave these in the description, but let's just go through the process really quick so you can see exactly what's happening here. All right, so I opened up the command line renderer, and next thing we're going to do, I'm going to right click on Blender, Properties. I'm going to open the file location, and we're just going to figure out where our Blender 4.3 is. And we're going to drag that into the command prompt, and we get this, hit space, -B, which means we want to render in the background. Then we're going to hit space, and I need to find where our project file is. All right, I found the Blender project file. I'm going to drag that in, and I'm going to hit space again, -A. And so just to look at these prompts, you have -A, which means rendering out the full animation. And then right here, we have -S 500. This means start at frame 500, -E, end at frame 510, and it's an animation. But since we set ours to placeholders, the animation isn't going to override any of the stuff that we did from our earlier test. So let's go back here. Let's hit enter. And now we have an instance of Blender rendering in the background. All right, so that's the process to get things started if you're using just regular Cycles or Eevee.